Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can clean your motorbike chain in your house without going to a garage. So it's very easy and simple process. So first of all, you have to make sure that your motorbike is on a paddock stand, which you can see I have put mine on a paddock stand here. And the reason for that is you can easily rotate your back wheel. And if you can look at my chain is quite dirty at the moment. I don't know if you can see that or not. It is quite dirty. I've done 1000 miles on this motorbike, and it's been serviced once, and they told me that they have cleaned the chain when they did the service. So I thought the winter is coming. Before I put the bike inside, I want to make sure that it's clean and there is no grime left on it. So let's start the video. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will help me create more videos like that. So I've bought this chain cleaner and chain lube bundle from Halfords recently, and that cost me about £25. And let's open this up and see what's inside this box. So it's got the chain lube, and it's also got a chain cleaner, and it's also got a chain cleaning brush. So I think these are the three tools we needed for this chain cleaning, and we're gonna crack on now. So guys, what I've did is that I have put some cardboard here, so once we start cleaning this, it does not put splashes of grime on the back of my motorbike. I've got this motorbike chain cleaner, which is here. It's called Prime Shine. So I'm gonna shake it up. This, after a good shake, I will be spraying this onto the chain. And once I spray this, I will keep rotating my chain. And I will be also coming this side and also spray some on this side. So after spraying this, I'm going to use this brush, and I'm going to use this side to scrub everything off. So while you're scrubbing it, you make sure that you are rotating the wheel. Once I've done that, and I will do it on this side. Pushing inwards, so it will also clean from the back of the chain as well. I will use the same chain cleaner to spray this one more time on the chain. If I do a close up, you can see the chain is started to, all that thing is started to drip, which I done one mistake. I never covered the floor, so it's all dripping on the floor. Now once this is all clean, I will use a old microfiber cloth, and I will just run all the way on the chain. You can see that how much grease came out from this cloth, from this chain. Basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to dry this off, and I can instantly see the chain is totally clean and it's like brand new. I think it's best if you can do at least once a month, and if you ride quite regularly, I would recommend you do every 2 weeks. It increases the life on your chain big time. Guys, look at that. I will leave it for a couple of minutes, 5 minutes or so, and once it's dry, I will put the chain lube on. So put the lube on. We're doing the same thing. to making sure that this chain lube bottle, I will shake it quite well, and we do the same thing. We press here and we start rotating the wheel. So guys, after putting the lube on, you can see how clean the chain is. I will rotate the chain. So that's your motorbike chain lubed and cleaned. Hope you enjoyed this video and you watched this video so far. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you next time very soon in another video. Bye bye.